Yeah. Young Suave, man. You know what I'm saying? Representing the Bay. Shout out Sway, you feel me? Let's do it. Come roll with a pimp. Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah. Check it. Went out of state, told my family I'ma make it back. It's no mistake, I'm laced with game, so I made them racks. Them bitches love me, they always was tryna fuck me. I got the pussy like nothing, I fuck them and then I duck them. What? You know what's up, lil' mama, she tryna cut. But I'm about my bucks, Milwaukee, on my trust. That red and green, my machine, driving through those. I'm hitting blunts up in traffic, I be blowing the most. Seen a bitch and she chose, looking in my windows. So I rolled one down so she smelled it in dough. Then she said, "You Rico?" I told that bitch that for sure. Man, I'm running these bitches and I'm pimping these hoes. Oh, goddamn, I was really making money. Selling grams, making bands, that college life was lovely. That college life was something. A dream came to reality. It's haters on my back, it's even haters in my family. So I do this by myself, let's see who really make this family tree. It's sad to me. Niggas hate me cause of what I G-O-D. No, we blind to the truth, what we never see. So set me free or let me be. Got locked up, but I bought my key. Pay some racks for some lawyers, 2 racks for some court fees. Living a life of pain got me addicted to this morphine. So I write these poems, it's the only way my soul bleed. Yeah, I'm from the Bay, used to hustle and get no sleep. Prices, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's out here repping the whole Bay, you know what I'm saying? Especially at Sucker Free City, man. Shout out to Frisco, you know what I'm talking about? You feel me? We can do it. Let's do it for this 100 bands, man. I need that. I need that, man. Let's get it.